Okay, so today we're going to be unboxing our July Allure Beauty boxes. Every month you get between, at minimum 5 full-size products. And this month, I don't know how many of these are full-size, but some of the items that are full-size are a sponge.
Hold up, why are we starting the video hating?
Well,
It wasn't a good one.
I don't think this is not my favorite box so far. I actually wanted to skip this month, but I didn't get to it in time.
This is called the sweaty season.
And so you get your customized product for this month was Makeup by Mario Softsculpt Bronzing and Shaping Serum. I know a lot of people just wanted the box just for this. I think we both got the shade Light. It's a
we got 4.
It's a cream bronzer. And the interesting thing is though, you have a pump.
There were 6 items. 5 of them are full size.
So it's a good value.
Haters been,
but you get a doe foot applicator, or you get a pump, which I thought was actually really unique. I've never seen something like this. We both got Light. Seeing how tan I am, I probably should have done a darker color. And
what did you get?
I got Light.
I got Light too.
I feel like it's too close to my skin tone. But in the past, year, I feel like even the last 6 months, we've also gotten these 2
oh, goodness gracious,
bronzer colors.
Should use that sponge they gave us.
You should. And so I feel like we're just overdone with liquid bronzers. We got a Tarte Shape Tape or Tarte Sculpt Tape and a First Aid Beauty Bronze and Glow Drops within like the same subscription.
Okay.
So for you, it makes a difference. For me, it's
not enough.
It's not enough. So that's the Tarte.
So this was all in the beauty boxes we've got?
Yeah. So I was going to say, I like it. It's cool. I think that having the doe foot applicator and the pump, that's actually really unique.
I didn't realize that. I didn't even notice. So I so far have really been impressed by the product. Oh, it's got a good sheen. Yes,
no, it's very
a good color.
good.
It's not too warm. It's definitely, for my skin tone, it definitely warms it up. And it wasn't hard to blend.
No,
right?
it blends really well. And it doesn't pill up or anything. It layers well. And it's $36 for that box or that bottle. So, I mean, you get your value just with that one product.
It's a full ounce too.
Yeah.
So it will last a really long time.
Size.
I'm a fan. Let's see.
The next product is the Earth Harbor Obscura Night Repair Concentrate. I've used Earth Harbor stuff from FabFitFun. And
so what is it saying? Illuminate your skin with an overnight detox treatment that restores radiance, calms stressed skin, and banishes impurities, powered by 13 actives for a refreshed, glowing wake up. So it lists it all out. It says use once daily at the night. Apply a few drops to clean skin. Can be mixed into serums or moisturizer. Goes on clear. Cool.
I was excited for this product. It has black seaweed, bakuchi oil, and it's got kind of an earthy scent to it. I've really been impressed by the ingredients and the efficacy of these products from Earth Harbor. They explain on the box, what the ingredients do and what the benefit is. There's a lot of natural, it's all pretty much, it's all natural products.
Black cumin, seaweed, purify, nourish, bakuchi oil, retinol, alternative and revive skin, bamboo charcoal, linoleic acid and kiwi for exfoliating, tamanu and almond retinoid, promote cell turnover and clarify, botanic barrier complex. So cool.
They truly have, I have their sea cream. It's like a night cream siren cream. I really love their products. So this for me was what I was most excited for.
And this was worth what? This was worth $38 for 1 ounce, and this was a full size. Cool.
The next product is the Goddess Maintenance Biotech Blowout Hair Mask. Say that 4 times fast. I actually used that today on my hair, and I used a hair dryer, which I normally don't do. I feel like it did make it quite sleek.
It's $40 for 1.5 ounces.
So, okay, yeah, this is an expensive thing. It says you can use it with a blow dryer, with heat, or without heat. It smells good, and I liked it. I used a small little pea-size amount. It smells kind of fruity.
Yeah, I mean, it smells good. And then, you know, I wonder if... your hair can get... Sorry.
My hair doesn't feel sticky or anything, like after using it. It went through well, didn't weigh it down. Sorry.
Certain products, I was going to say, you get almost an overload of...
it's like the product buildup.
It's not just product buildup, but like protein buildup specifically, or bonding treatments. If you just keep using it too often, it actually can overload. So I was just gonna see if this has any of those ingredients, because if it doesn't, my hair would definitely be happy to try this, because it's it's tired of all the added on stuff.
So I didn't know that was full size. I thought that was like a sample or like travel. The next item is the Gloat makeup sponge in black.
Woo!
And it has a
$12
$12 sponge. I like how it comes with its own little...
It is cute. This is nice. This is actually, and look at this. They have the code right there. Use this code to get 20% off. They really want the deals. They want the sales. 1% of profits go to mental health initiatives. Latex-free, cruelty-free. Let them...
Yeah, it's not... I mean, if you use sponges, after so many months, you're supposed to throw it out anyway. So, I mean, that's useful.
It's cool. It's soft. I use sponges every day.
Oh. I don't use sponges at all.
That means they literally printed this
just specifically for Allure.
And that means if not enough people buy this, you're gonna have to throw the bags away.
Oh, that's terrible.
Serious. Oh, it's even
true.
got its name on the blender. Anyways,
yeah.
Beauty blenders cost a lot of money, right? There we go.
But you can just buy a sponge from Temu or AliExpress for like...
But think about the mental health proceeds.
And then the next product, which is really exciting, is called the TIY Pre-Tied Hair Ties.
Oh, look at that.
And it's a 2-pack for retails for $17. Now, I opened them up and I used them the other day at the gym. And I mean, it's a little loose. I kind of like that, but
it's like bracelet stacking for your hair. But this multi-ring rope is actually meant to be used as a single elastic to hold updos in place no matter your hair type. You can decide how many times you need to wrap around your ponytail for all day hold. Thicker texture, you may need 2 to 4 ties. Choice is yours. So $17 for a 2-pack, and the coupon you get 20% off your purchase.
I like that they're doing something different. It's not, you know, the same like bronzer,
Serum,
blush,
lip balm.
serum. I do like, you know, it's a hair tie. Do I think I would pay $17 for a 2-pack? No, but I like how this is actually something different. I've never seen a hair tie that's tied. Usually they'll have like the elastic that combines it, you know, eventually it gets worn out. So I wonder if this might last longer.
I don't think 17 is unrealistic, or like a... Yeah, it looks better than a normal hair tie around your, like, wrist. And then
So,
let's see.
I think they're fun. There's something different. Yeah, she's got a lot of hair.
Is that... Can you even see it?
No, you can see it.
Oh yeah, so you don't feel any elastic.
No, that's what I was gonna say. This is nice because there's no elastic. I can tell this is never gonna like pull anything, and you know, it is. I like the colors, the pink and the white.
Yeah, it's good.
It's something different. I like that.
And then let's see. This is the real test. No, I only got one little hair, so not bad.
Yeah, not bad. And then the final product is the Hero Mighty Patch Original, and this is like a trial. It has 6 patches, and you use this on acne. You leave them on. Yeah, that looks cute. I like the color a lot.
So that's interesting. So this is a 2 band. This pink one's
4.
4. Oh, is that supposed to be
Like one, the 2 is for like thinner hair, and then 4 is for thicker hair.
I'm like 10 steps behind, so I think it's a thumbs up for me. It's a thumbs up for me, dog.
It's a thumbs up with me too. I can always do more hair ties, and then I really like these Mighty Patches. We've gotten these before in boxes. I enjoy them. They're probably one of the best pimple patches you can get.
Yes, they actually work because some brands,
some don't.
they don't even have anything on it, or they're dried up. They're not thick enough. They fall off. So Mighty Patch is always really good. And this is just 6 patches though. So useful, not really a full size, but I think it was a solid box.
I was gonna say, now that I'm like looking at it, it is a
And
good
that
box.
sponge.
The sponge, yeah, the sponge is really
Those hair ties.
ties it together. These are all things that like will be useful. It's just I feel like another bronzer. It was just
Look
one
at that
bronzer
glow,
too
though.
much.
You can give it to me.
I might.